Think on your feet is about those high pressure moments when you get asked a question and in that moment you've got to provide a response that is credible and clear. In moments like these, you may have had a mental block where your mind goes completely blank and it's impossible to think of a response. You may have waffled your way through the answer and literally watched your listener's eyes glazing over. You may have felt incredibly frustrated that you haven't been able to influence a decision in a meeting. Think on your feet provides a communication toolbox that encourages you to stop, pause and think before you respond, so that when you do open your mouth, what comes out is credible, informative and persuasive. Within the 2-day program, there are 6 core plans. 3 of those plans are about providing information. The other 3 are about persuading, influencing and shifting perspectives. We'll also be looking at how you can handle question and answer situations so that you're able to show respect to your audience, buy time, and also make sure that you're actually answering the right question.